Iran-Israel. Ano ba to? Peace na ba to or mag-further escalate pa?
Siguro the right word to use is contained. No? I think it will be contained, but it's not
Contained.
going to be over soon.
Bakit ganun? Oo.
Number one, the US kasi, no, there's a cycle dito sa US na every time that Uranus is in Gemini, it will move soon for the next 15 years or so. No? So, normally involved ang USA sa major war, no, during that period. And then ngayon, we've seen talagang they did something, no, with this bombing nga, no, ng supposed to be or allegedly nuke facilities. No? So, that invites retaliation for sure. Kasi yung Iran naman is ang zodiac sign ng Iran is actually Aries, and ang USA Cancer, no. So that's actually Saturn in Aries and Jupiter in Gemini, Jupiter in Cancer, that's now actually battling in the sky above. So ito USA and Iran, ano. So the planetary movements, no, says that parang baka magko-continue yan, although I don't think it's going to be a world war.